Hi children, good morning. I am Mehul sir. As you all know, I am teaching you English this year in class 3rd. So today we will learn a new lesson of Unit 2. Before that, I will ask you some question and I will also show you some pictures. On the screen, you can see picture of different kind of nest. Can you see अलग अलग तरह के birds के घोंसले दिख रहे हैं आपको? Okay. So do you know why do birds make their nest? वो अपना घोंसला क्यों बनाते हैं? Do you know? Okay, I will tell you. They make their nest to lay eggs and raise their chicks safely. वो अंडे देने के लिए और अपने बच्चों को सेफ्टी के साथ उस घोंसले में बड़ा होने के लिए घोंसला बनाते हैं. Okay, now next. Okay, today we will learn lesson Nina and the baby sparrows. Okay, here on the screen you can see a sparrow and there are two baby birds. Have you ever seen baby birds? Okay, they are very small and normally mother bird used to feed them with small insects or very soft food. Next. Okay, here there are some more nest and there are some birds also in it and some small baby birds are also there. Okay, next. Now I will read out the whole lesson and I will also explain the lesson with the reading. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to the market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar, kameez, then Nina shook her head. Over here, you can see there is a small girl, her name is Nina, and you can also see her mother with her. Okay, here the story is of a small girl, Nina. एक छोटी सी बच्ची है आपके जैसी, उसका नाम है नीना. Her family, they all are very happy, and the reason is that Nina's aunt was going to marry in Delhi. So they all were going to Delhi. वो सभी लोग कहाँ जा रहे हैं? शादी में दिल्ली जा रहे थे. Everyone is happy. सभी लोग खुश है except Nina. Nina is not happy and nobody knows why she is not happy, why she is sad. So what happened? Her mother also knows that she is not happy. So she used a trick. उन्होंने एक काम किया. उसको लेके एक बार she went to the market. वो मार्केट में गए and she also told her to buy clothes which she likes. Or she can also buy shoes she likes, but she is not happy at all. Her mother also asked her to buy new salwar kameez or anything else, but Nina was not looking happy and she is saying no to everything. Nina shook her head, मतलब उसने ना बोला कि I don't want anything new. Next. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. So here Nina replied that she doesn't want anything. Even the shoes she selected last week. जो शूज उसको लास्ट वीक पसंद आए थे वो भी अब उसको नहीं चाहिए. So Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. Now her mother is also unhappy or upset, you can say, because her daughter is also unhappy. Now they went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? So mother asked to Nina, why are you saying no to everything? You are not looking happy. So she asked Nina about the reason why she is not happy. वो क्यों happy मतलब कि दुखी क्यों है वो? Next. So Nina said, Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing. Instead, two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. So here the mother come to know the reason why she is unhappy. Okay, here mother asked her and Nina told that there is a bird's nest, sparrow's nest in her room, and there are two small chicks in it. So she was worried that what will happen with that birds if they will close the room when they will go for Delhi to attend the wedding. So she told the whole thing to her mother. उसने अपनी मदर को सब कुछ बताया दो छोटे बर्ड्स के बारे में, और उसको ये डर था कि अगर वो लोग दिल्ली चले जाएंगे और सब पूरा घर और खिड़कियाँ बंद कर देंगे तो हाउ कैन द मदर बर्ड गो आउट एंड कम इन, मदर बर्ड बाहर कैसे जाएंगे खाना लेने के लिए, और बच्चों का क्या होगा, वो तो बेचारे अंदर भूखे ही रह जाएंगे. सो दैट इज द रीज़न वाई शी वॉज अनहैप्पी. नाउ they are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry chip chip asking for food. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked, and how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? So here is the reason. She was worried that how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies. Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We will leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we really? Yes, yes. We will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside, so the house will be perfectly safe, and Papa and Mama sparrows can also come and go freely too. So here the mother suggested one solution, that they will keep the window open of the Nina's room. वो नीना के रूम का एक खिड़की जो है वो खुला रख देंगे, so that the mother and Papa bird can go out and they can bring food from outside. Okay, and not only that, they will also remove the whole luggage and everything from Nina's room. नीना के रूम का पूरा सामान वो लोग हटा देंगे और वो पास वाले रूम में रख देंगे और रूम को बाहर से लॉक कर देंगे. सो बाय दिस वे देयर होम विल बी ऑल्सो सेफ. उनका घर भी सेफ रहेगा और वो बच्चे भी बाहर जा सकेंगे एंड आ सकेंगे, मतलब कि मदर और पापा बर्ड भी बाहर जा सकेंगे और आ सकेंगे. नेक्स्ट. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room, and wasn't Nina thrilled? Okay, now, so mother told her that just think that Nina, we will go and enjoy the wedding at Delhi, and after some days when we will come back to our home, you may find these baby sparrows, they can be more healthy and they can even fly. So it will be a fun for you. Okay, and exactly the things were happening when they came back. As you can see, there are two birds. Actually, they are baby birds. Now they are grown up and they are flying all over the room. And Nina is also looking very happy. So this was the story. Okay. Here we have seen there is a small girl Nina. बहुत छोटी लड़की है. But she loves bird. She is even very much caring about birds. Next, there are some new words. The first one is bother, means tension or become upset, or you can say unhappy. Then problem means difficult situation or trouble, या मुश्किल in Hindi. Upset, upset is also you can write as a similar word of bother, means worry or disturbed or bother. Remove means delete or withdraw या हटा देना. Plump means fat or thick या मोटा. Then wedding means marriage यानी कि शादी. Then lovely means beautiful, pretty, or you can say attractive or सुंदर. Now question answers. The first question, why was there great joy in Nina's house? The answer, Nina's aunt was getting married and everyone in the house was going to Delhi for the wedding. They are all happy because they are all going to attend the marriage. Okay. Number 2, why was Nina worried? Nina was worried for the baby sparrows. She thought if they go out, how the parents of the babies will feed their children. अगर वो लोग घर पूरा बंद कर देंगे, if they will lock the whole house, how the baby birds will get food. Next, number 3, what did the mother suggest? Mother said that they will keep the window open. वो लोग एक खिड़की खुला रखेंगे for the papa and the mama sparrows to go out and come in, and we will lock rest of the house. So this was the solution of Nina's problem. Next, what did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Nina found two plump means healthy, or you can say fat little sparrows flying all over the room. पूरे रूम में दो birds flying, मतलब कि they are flying in the room. How do baby sparrows eat? Papa or mama sparrows put very soft food because they are very small, so they need only soft food in the beak of baby sparrows, and baby sparrows gulp. Here gulp means swallow. Swallow means निगल जाना. Swallow it. Next. Okay, here is a picture story. You can see different pictures. There are 5 pictures, and under each picture there is a sentence written. We have to put this story in a proper order. Okay, the story is jumbled up, मतलब उल्टा सीधा हो गया है, हमें इसको सही लगाना है. For that we have to write down number under the picture. There is a circle. In each circle you have to write down number. Which number or which part will come first? सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? So here you can see mother says we will leave the window open. Then Nina is happy again. Nina is sad. Then Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Then mother asks why. But if we talk, which one will come first? So I think Nina is sad will come first. After that, what happened? Then Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. It will be number 2. Then, mother asks why. It will come second, and third one, Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Then Number 4, mother says we will leave the window open, and at last Nina is happy again. This is the proper order. Here you can see, and you can write also very easily. The first one is Nina is sad, then mother asks why, then Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone, then mother says we will leave the window open, and at last Nina is happy again. So this was the proper order. Okay, then write down suitable describing words. You know, children, describing words means adjectives in grammatical language. Okay, for each picture, pick up the words from the list given below. Here, describing words means the words which describe or says something about the noun. जो noun या कोई नाम के बारे में या कोई particular person की जो बात हो रही है उसके बारे में कुछ बताते हैं, they are called describing words. Okay, here the describing words are beautiful, black, red, happy, tall and fat. So you have to select these words for the given blanks. First one, okay, in the picture you can see there is a fat woman. Okay, then blank woman. So what will be the describing word for that? Fat. The word fat is describing the woman. It is telling something about the woman. वो उसके बारे में बता रहा है woman कैसी है, fat. So that is called describing word. Okay, here you can see a rose, a blank rose. कैसा rose है? It is a red rose. We can also write a beautiful rose. Okay, both are correct. Then you can see a boy. वो कैसा लग रहा है? It looks happy, a happy boy. So here word happy is a describing word. Then there is a peacock. As we all know, it is always beautiful. So a beautiful peacock. Then there is a bird. And what is the color of the bird? Black. Black. Here black is telling about bird, about the color of the bird. So here the word black is describing bird. The last one, there is a man, and the man is very tall. So here the word tall is a describing word. So these are all describing words because they are telling something. वो noun या कोई person, place or thing के बारे में कुछ बता रहे हैं. That is why they are called describing words or adjectives. Next. Okay, there is one more topic, action words. Do you know what are the action words? The words which show some actions, they are called action words. Okay, words that shows action in the sentence, they are called action words. You can also say them verbs in grammatical language. Look at the pictures carefully and fill in the blanks with proper action words given below. Here you can find there are some action words in the red letters. They are jumping, painting, riding, flying, sleeping and crying. So these are all action words because they are showing some action, something is happening. Okay, here in the first picture you can see there is a boy. Okay, the boy is sleeping. Then there is a girl. The girl is crying. You can see that. Okay, so here sleeping, crying, these are actions. You can also say them verbs. Okay, here the frog. The frog is jumping. Then there are some children and they are flying kites. So the children are flying kites. So here the word flying is verb or you can say action word. Then there is a man. The man is painting or he is making pictures. Then the last one here the boy, and the boy is riding on the horse. So here the words sleeping, crying, jumping, flying, painting, riding, they are showing some action or what the particular person is doing. So they are called action words. Now there is the activity. For that you need following things. You need glue, scissor, newspaper or beads, or you also need some paper. Okay, now what and how to do? Number one, make an outline of the bird. You can see the drawing of the bird on the card. You can use greeting card. This one is greeting card, and cut it out. First of all, you have to draw bird. एक bird को बनाना है और उसको cut भी करना है. After that, number two, cut a small square from an old newspaper. कोई पुराना न्यूज़पेपर लेना है, उसको क्या करना है? कटिंग करना है. किसमें? स्क्वायर में. एंड फोल्ड इट टू मेक अ फैन. फैन जैसा बनाना है, जैसे यहाँ दिख रहा है. ओके, फिर बाद में ऐसा बन जाएगा. ओके, एंड कीप द फैन क्लोज. उसको दबा के बंद कर देना है. देन नंबर थ्री, पास द फोल्डेड फैन थ्रू द कट ऑन द बर्ड्स बैक. बर्ड्स के बैक पे एक कट बनाना है यहाँ पर, एंड यू टू पास दैट पेपर फैन थ्रू द कट. एंड नाउ ओपन द फोल्ड्स ऑफ द फैन. फिर उसको फोल्ड को खोल देना है. ओके, नाउ नंबर फोर, मेक द आई बाय स्टिकिंग अ बिंदी. यू कैन यूज बिंदी. बिंदी का यूज करके बर्ड्स की आई बनानी है. देन एट लास्ट, पेस्ट अ स्ट्रिंग. एक धागा लेना है और धागे को यहाँ बांध देना है, और ओल्ड शू लेस टू हैंग द बर्ड्स, एंड योर बर्ड इज नाउ रेडी. यू कैन डू दिस एक्टिविटी एट होम with the help of your parents. At last, there is some homework. Homework is very easy. In the first homework, you have to draw picture of your favorite bird and color it. आपका जो फेवरेट बर्ड है उसका पिक्चर ड्रॉ करके उसमें कलर करना है. Then number two, draw picture of different kind of bird nest. बर्ड के अलग अलग तरह के नेस्ट जो हमने देखे थे आगे, उसमें से कोई भी नेस्ट आप बना सकते हो. कोई भी टू, कोई भी दो. राइट एनी 7 एक्शन वर्ड्स. वी हैव लर्न एक्शन वर्ड्स. यू हैव टू नोट डाउन एनी 7 एक्शन वर्ड्स. दैट इज योर होमवर्क. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव रिटन वॉकिंग, कुकिंग. यू कैन राइट ईटिंग, फ्लाइंग, स्विमिंग. सो मैनी एक्शन वर्ड्स आर देयर. चिल्ड्रन, this is your homework, and don't forget to write down your classwork and homework. Here your chapter is over. Okay.